Hi, I'm Lisa here at Historic Brattonsville, and we have returned for part 2 of the rocking chair saga. We are finishing up the seat. I've done a good bit of work on it, but we got a little hung up because the next step, technically the last step, requires one continuous length of rush, and I came up about 2 yards short. So we had to buy some more. But now we're ready to go, and we're gonna tie this in and we're gonna finish off the seat. Just using a square knot to tie it in there. And as we've been going along, you can see in here where I've been tying it in. That's going to get covered up with weaving, but the next section, there's no place to hide it. There's no weaving going over top of it. So here we go. We have reached the point where we have closed up the sides and all we have left is a section in the middle. Before we go on, I wanted to point out a chair woven like this needs stuffing in it. So that's what this is. We have recycled the stuffing that was originally in the chair. So this is the original cattail rush that was in the original chair. I think it's probably easier to stuff in there when it's still green. It's a little hard to get in there now that it's all stiff. So what we're gonna do from here is a figure 8. So I'm gonna push this guy down the middle and pull him up on this side. Hung up on the stuffing in the back. And then push him down here. And we're gonna figure 8 it back and forth here. Just keep sliding it in tight. So here we've got the seat all finished. It's a little rough around the edges, but not bad for the first time. Not as good as the original seat, but it's gonna hold a person up. The next step is to flip this over and nail this down. And we have one completed chair, perfectly safe to sit in. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for hanging in during this chair saga, and we'll see you next time.